hearts, that is. One of my favorite plants that I currently own. I purchased her in September 2020 from Grow For It, which is the plant boutique from my last video. So we're going on 8 months together and she is comfortable where she is. She was hanging at about 4 inches long when I got her, and she has since tripled in length. She grew all through winter, so she did not have a period of dormancy. As you can see, she is almost touching my peperomia Carlton. And I'm sure Carlton wants his space back, so I've decided that I'm going to give Queen a haircut. Another reason for cutting her is to force her to grow fuller, because cutting it would cause it to push out another shoot somewhere else on the same vine. Another way to make a fuller plant is to plant the cuttings back into the pot for more vines. Honestly, taking care of Queen has been pretty easy and simple, in my opinion. Over the winter, I watered her about once every 2 weeks, going on 3 weeks maybe. I found that when I've waited too long to water her, a couple of her leaves would turn yellow. This means that I let her dry out almost completely before I water her again. I do that by checking with my finger, then by feeling out how light the pot is. Sometimes I use a moisture meter. I fertilized her very lightly a few times over the winter season, only because of the continuous growth, and she gets ample light under the grow light. The key to a happy string of hearts is to ensure that the light is hitting it on top into the pot. Alright, so here we go. Honestly, that first snip was scary and heart-wrenching. I had to stop and wonder if I was making the right decision. Okay, I'm over it. So these cuttings are not going to waste, guys. As I mentioned, the plan is to root them in water, then plant them back into the pot to create more vines. Please. Guys, so that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll be sure to give you guys an update on my string of hearts in future videos as she grows longer and fuller. Have a good day, guys. Take care.